Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating a 1080 by 1920 project. Choose 3060 FPS for smooth motion. Import your logo, search bar PNG, cursor PNG, and desired font so everything is ready. Once imported, place the background layer at the bottom and add the search bar above it. This makes compositing predictable. You do this now to avoid layer conflicts later. Make sure to name layers clearly so you can animate the bar, text, ripple, and cursor without guesswork. Next, animate the bar sliding in with position keyframes. Use an ease and curve for natural momentum. Then simulate typing by revealing text with mask width keyframes or by switching pre-rendered text images frame by frame. This looks cleaner and lets you time keystrokes. Once done, animate the cursor using rapid opacity keyframes for blink and a tiny scale pop on each keystroke so it feels tactile. Make sure timing syncs to your audio or desired tempo for believable interaction. Finally, produce the search result action. Animate a ripple by scaling a radial shape from 0 to desired size while decreasing opacity and adding a fast Gaussian blur. This reads as a click. Pop results with subtle upward position and fade in. Add a soft drop shadow and motion blur for depth. If performance drops, make sure to pre-render heavy layers, reduce effect intensity, or lower preview quality. One troubleshooting tip: if timing slips, enable frame snapping and reapply keyframes to the corrected frame grid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.